welcome to Cindy Lou's channel, and today we're gonna do seaweed sandwich. And the ingredients include sriracha, sesame oil, some kimchi, mayos, and rice. And don't forget seaweed. So I fried some eggs already, and I also fried some spam. So don't forget spam. And we're gonna start folding now. So there's rice, kimchi, spam, cheese, and egg. And sprinkle some sesame oil, or you can choose to put some spicy mayo, the sriracha and mayo mixed together. So it's whatever you like. I just put it on top of the rice, and everything else is just folding, as you can see. We have to chop this.